Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet flower vase designs is a decorative crochet piece that either covers a vase or creates a standalone vase like structure to hold artificial flowers. These designs can range from simple to intricate, incorporating various crochet techniques, colors, and patterns. Types of crochet flower vase designs. Vase cover, a crocheted sleeve that wraps around a glass, plastic, or ceramic vase, adding texture and color. A standalone vase, a structured crochet vase made with stiff yarn, wire, or reinforced with fabric stiffener to hold artificial flowers. Hanging vase, a crochet vase suspended with mimicry or crochet loops, often used for wall decor. Basket vase, a vase-like crochet basket that holds flowers, commonly used for rustic or farmhouse-style decor. Material used: cotton or acrylic yarn for durability and stiffness. Crochet hooks, size varies based on design. Fabric stiffener or glue for rigid shape. Oil or plastic inserts for structural support. Buttons, ribbons, or embroidery for embellishments. Popular crochet stitches for vase designs. Single crochet for a tight, dense structure. Double crochet for an airy, decorative look. Shell stitch for floral elegance. Basket weave stitch for textured open appearance. Creating a crochet flower vase requires a mix of creativity and technique. Here are some additional tips to help you achieve a beautiful and functional design. First, choose the right yarn. Choose yarn is the best choice for stability and durability. Acrylic yarn is softer but may require fabric stiffener. Jute or raffia can give a rustic, natural look. Use a strong base. If making a standalone vase, use a frame base like a plastic bottle, glass jar, or wire frame. If crocheting without a base, apply fabric stiffener to make the structure rigid. Experiment with colors and patterns. Use ombre or gradient yarns for a stunning effect. Add floral motifs or lace-like patterns for elegance, just type or geometric designs for a modern touch. Reinforce for durability. To keep the vase from collapsing, crochet tightly or use a double stand technique. Stiffen your crochet beads using glue, water, mix, sugar straws, or commercial stiffeners. Add embellishments, attached crochet flowers or leaves to decorate the vase. Use pearls, buttons, or beads for a stylish touch. Incorporate ribbons or lace to enhance the design. Functional additions. If using a cluster inside, making the crochet cover removable for easy washing. If making a basket-style vase, include a handle for portability. Add a drawstring or elastic band for a snug fit or different vase sizes. Play with textures and stitches. Use a pom-pom stitch or bubble stitch to create a textured surface. Try cable stitch for a sophisticated open look. Use the mosaic or tapestry crochet technique for unique patterns. Consider shape and structure. Tall cylinder vases ideal for long stemmed artificial flowers. Round or bulbous vases great for small floral arrangements. Geometric vases, hexagonal or diamond patterns add a modern aesthetic. Used mixed media for unique effects. Combine mimicry with crochet for a trendy boho vase. Use wooden paints or metal rings to accentuate your design. Incorporate LED fairy lights within the crochet for a glowing effect. Making it versatile. Design a removable cover so you can switch colors for different seasons. Create a foldable or collapsible crochet vase for easy storage. Attach Velcro or buttons to adjust the weight for different vase sizes. Waterproofing for practical use. If using real flowers, use a plastic or glass liner inside the crochet vase. Try waterproof yarn or coat the crochet with a clear fabric sealant. Personalization and customization. Monogram or in details. Embellish layers for a personalized touch. Seasonal themes. Use pastel colors for spring, warm tones for autumn, or metallics for winter decor. Gift idea. Crochet a vase cover in someone's favorite color and add matching crochet flowers. Experiment with different crochet techniques. Overlay crochet, add layers for a 3D effect. Unitian crochet, create a denser and sturdier texture. Corner to corner crochet allows for pixel-like designs and color work. Fillet crochet creates elegance, lace-like patterns for a delicate vase cover. Play with yarn thickness. Use chunky yarn for a bold, structured look. Finely, so it can create a delicate, intricate vase cover. Combine two yarn strands for added stiffness and durability. Create multi-purpose vase designs. Design a comfortable vase that doubles as a basket. Make a hanging crochet vase with reinforced straps. Create a stackable vase cover that fits multiple sizes or vases. Advanced reinforcement methods. Use first wire within your crochet stitches for shape retention. Sew plastic canvas inside the vase cover for a solid structure. Dip your finished crochet page and a mug pocket. Add water pictures to harden it. Make it a matching set. Crochet matching coasters for the vase. Create a coordinating table runner to complement the design. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!